Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Good morning, everybody. Oh, looks like there might be more rain. Apparently, yesterday there was a tornado that went through Bunbury, which is the town just up from me, and destroyed some sheds and bits and pieces. Anyway, we didn't have that here. We had incredibly high winds and sideways rain. All right, so those of you that have been watching my videos for a long time will notice I've removed a whole heap of my old videos because they were no longer relevant to what I'm doing now. But those of you that have been following me for a long time will remember this old Champion Global Power Equipment Generator. It's a Honda clone. It's on an old Bunnings trolley that we got from the rubbish tip. We actually rebuilt it out of a few they threw away and put some different wheels on. But anyway, we brought this up from the shed. I've just checked the oil. You can see that down there. And I believe we've got it ready to start. Bird cage on the head. So I'm going to turn it on. Put the choke on. Ziggy's ready to grab the camera. I'll just let that's left on. If you can just stand over there somewhere, over there. Now, I've got a 2000 watt Ryobi heat gun, and the first one's 1000 and then it goes to 2000. It's a two position. So we're going to test this on this. This is meant to be 2200. And that's my telephone. Back in a minute. Turn it off, love. G'day, Russ. How you going, mate? Okay, sorry about that. The phone rang. We'll cut back to wherever it was before we got interrupted. Okay, so we're going to give it a cold start. I've turned the fuel on. I've turned the choke on. I might try and start it with the choke off. 'Cause this is a beautiful little Honda clone, but it's a really nice engine. And we're going to test it with this Ryobi. On position 1 it's 1000 watts, on position 2 it's 2000 watts. This is rated at 2.2. Let's see if it'll go. This switch is on. The fuel's on. Let's see if it starts. Choke. Second pull, people, second pull. Okay, so I've plugged it in, got the switch on, position 1. That is working. It's hot. Position 2. And that's 2000 watts. In there, can you see that? If I'd have put the choke on the first pull, I think it would have went first pull, people, to be honest with you. It's not that noisy, is it? Pretty impressive. And I mean, that thing's been sitting in the shed for 5+ years.